My name is Sean Campbell. I'm one of the co-founders of Jozi Graphix.
Hi, I'm Fabio De Silva, co-founder and director of Jozi Graphix.
We started our journey a year ago with AM.CO and haven't looked back. We're on a great journey with them.
With everything that we do, myself and Sean, from printing to design to everything, we need reliable equipment, and the best equipment that we have is AM. I mean, they have anything from large format printing to UV DTFs to intricate little details on stickers that would actually blow your mind. Everything is possible through them, and it's so great to have that kind of support and backing when you're starting a business in an industry that's so highly strung.
Here at Jozi Graphix, we specialize in mainly the eventing space. So we could be doing anything from vinyl branding to wallpaper to coming up with even concepts where we would use unconventional thinking and out-of-the-box thinking and use normal methods to bring that stuff to life. What does that mean? Imagine sitting in a boardroom in front of a very creative marketing director that is spitting out all these weird and wonderful ideas and then actually taking those concepts and bringing them to life. That's Jozi Graphix in a nutshell.
Dealing with international brands as much as we do, there's a high level of standard that you need to adhere to. And the only way to achieve that is having quality machines to deliver quality products. I mean, when it comes to printing, doing out-of-the-box ideas, if you've got the right tools, you can deliver, and that's what makes Jozi Graphix so great for these brands.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this actual video. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, so watch this space, keep an eye out for Jozi Graphix, and I promise you, this is not the last you'll see of me.
Got some crazy things coming up, and they're so exciting, and I can't wait to show them and share them with you guys. So stay tuned and join the experience with us.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.